Hey there, Bootyful. My name is Katie, and today we're going to be doing a spooky themed Halloween workout. I hope you're not too dead at the end of this workout. Just kidding. I promise I won't kill you. This is a beginner at-home workout that you can do from home or at the gym or anywhere that you want. Just have a yoga mat and 2 pairs of dumbbells, one a little bit lighter and one medium pair. Make sure at the end of this workout that you check in with me at #DARKBLUENUTRITION and #DBNTONE on Instagram, or comment below what workouts you'd like to see in the future and how this workout burned. Let's get straight into the routine. First, we're gonna start with a warm-up, and then we're gonna do 2 circuits with 3 moves each. Then we're gonna move into some yoga moves and stretching moves at the end. So the first spooky move that you're gonna do today is a skeleton dance. Essentially, it's a jumping jack without the jumping. So you're gonna move your arms out to your sides and then do 1 leg at a time and go out to each side. So this really warms up the whole body. You're really gonna feel it in your shoulders, your core, your legs, your booty. You're gonna feel bootyful afterwards. I'm sensing a lot of Halloween puns coming, so I'm sorry in advance. All right. Just a few more here, and then we're gonna move into the next warm-up move. All right, so the next move we're gonna do is bat wings. So you're just going to crouch down with your booty at angle right there, and then you're gonna move your arms out to the sides like little bat wings. So if you can see from the front and see from the side. And this stretches out the upper back, gives your triceps a little bit of a stretch and your chest as well. We're gonna be doing a lot of chest moves, back moves, and leg moves, so you're really gonna be working every part of your body. All right, so the first circuit and first move is going to be those bat wings, except you're gonna be using some dumbbells this time. So you're going to put 1 leg in front of the other, grab the dumbbells in front of you, and I'll move to the side so you guys can see. So have 1 leg straight back, 1 leg at a 90-degree angle, and then you're going to press up and do a bat wing fly. Now we're gonna switch sides. You're really gonna feel this in the upper back and a little bit in your hamstrings. All right, next move is gonna be a witchy broom stance. So you're going to stand on 1 leg, you're gonna have 1 leg back, and then you're going to do a row. Here you're gonna switch sides. All right, and put that leg down, and we're gonna be moving to the next move. We're gonna be going back into that witchy leg position, leg back, and do some flies like we did on the first move of this circuit. And we're gonna switch sides. Just do as many as you can. Doesn't matter if your leg is totally straight. Just put it as high as you like, or you can modify by putting your leg down here and doing some more bat wings. All right, 2 more. There we go. All right, we are gonna do that circuit 1 more time and then move on to circuit number 2. So this time you can start with your lighter set of weights and put your right leg in front of you and then do those bat wings. So you can start with your lighter set of weights this time if you prefer. Kind of helps get through those circuits, but do whatever feels comfortable for you. 2 more on this side. 2, 1, and then the opposite side. This really stretches the chest, the shoulders, gets those triceps moving. You also feel it in your hamstring and quad as well. One more. All right. Now, if you remember, the next move is the witchy broom stance. We'll switch it up just a little bit so you're not repeating the same move too many times. I know we've been doing a lot with the shoulders and chest and back, so I don't want to overdo you in one muscle. So start on one leg. And how about this time we alternate which hand we row? So we start with our left, then right, left, and right. And if you want to do both at the same time and challenge yourself, then that's totally okay too. Eight more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, and this time we're gonna put down our weights. Do the witchy broom stance, but put our hands out to the front. So just straight forward, and that's gonna work the top of our shoulders a little bit more. Just switch sides. Ten more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so those are some great upper body moves. Now we're gonna move to the floor and do a few more lower body moves and total body moves. And I think this is probably my favorite set because I am burning after that first circuit. All right, so we're going to lay on the floor. You can get your yoga mat out at this time if you'd like. My cats are terrors and they're messing with my yoga mat, so I'm gonna go without one today. But just start with your booty on the floor, and then you're gonna lean back. Oh, there's Maya. And then we're gonna do skull crushers. So all you're gonna do here, hi Maya. Excuse me, Maya. So all you're gonna do is put your weights straight out in front of you, and then you're going to press back into a skull crusher. So this is gonna work your triceps. You're not gonna actually hit your head with these dumbbells. You're going to be careful of your head, be mindful. Just press back up. This one really feels good. 2 more, 2, and 1. And then we're gonna move to booty presses. So booty presses. That's what makes this a spooky themed move. Booty presses are my favorite. Really work. And by thrusting up those hips, you're really gonna feel it in the upper booty and maybe even the lower booty part. You also feel it in the core since you're using your whole core to press up. 5 more. 3, 2, and 1. All right, so weights at your side. And the final move we're gonna do is spider dances. So you're gonna lift your booty up off the floor and kick forward and reach out to each leg. So you're alternating and diagonally reaching across and touching that leg. This one I can totally feel all over my body. It gives me a total body burn. And you might feel your knees pop or hear them. That's okay. Just make sure you're not feeling any pain. All right. Now we have a little break in between our circuits. Do whatever you need to do, take a little rest, pause the video, or grab a sip of water, do whatever you gotta do. And we're gonna move into our last circuit. So we'll lean back when you're ready for some of those skull crushers. I don't know why, but I really love to work my triceps. I always feel so much stronger afterwards. This is a really good move too if you're going out and you have a strapless dress, or you have maybe a skimpy Halloween costume. I don't know, I don't judge. You'll really feel proud to show off your arms. And I mean, you're working your total body, so you're gonna look like a knockout either way. All right, 5 more. 3, 2, and 1. All right, on to those booty bridges. Just a few more seconds. You can grab a sip of water if you need to. And just take a moment to breathe and lay, stare at the ceiling. And we're gonna start those booty bridges. And really make sure that you're squeezing your glutes when you go up at the top, just so you can get the maximum benefit from that move. These you can do while you're watching Netflix, while you're waiting for your popcorn to be popped in the microwave on Halloween. Anytime really, except maybe in public. Anytime you're at home. All right, so take a breath and just soak it all in. You're almost done with this workout. And we're gonna lift up when you're ready and do those spider dances. Whew. This one works the balance too. You can't do it without a little bit of balance. And it's okay if you're a little bit wobbly at first. I think we all are. This is not something we do on a daily basis. All right, 5 more. 3, 2, and 1. Woo, we are so close. It is time for my favorite part, which is the cool down. So we're just gonna cool down real quick with a few spooky themed moves. I don't know about you, but I am dead. So take your left leg to your right knee, actually right above your right knee, and just hold right there. And this is our spooky scarecrow, AKA tree pose. You can call it a scary tree pose, whatever you want to call it. But I like to incorporate some yoga moves into these strength training routines just because it helps balance and get that flexibility in there, which is really important for whatever you're doing, no matter what it is. Let's switch sides real quick. Balance is so underrated when it comes to strength training because of course, yes, we do want to build our muscles, but in order to build our muscles, we have to be doing the moves correctly. And so making sure our body is in proper alignment and balancing well is super important. Just a few more seconds on this side. All right. And so our final stretch is some booty stretches. I'm gonna overuse that pun way too much. So you're just pulling your knee to your chest, doing whatever feels good. And then take that opposite knee to your opposite side. All right. And then just a quick quad stretch by lifting that foot and touching your bum and stretching out the quad. All right, opposite leg. and you're all done. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to hashtag DARKBLUENUTRITION or DBNTONE on Instagram. If you did this workout, I'd love to hear how you did, how you loved it, and what you're doing for Halloween. Make sure to tag me as well, and I'd love to chat with you. Let me know what future videos you'd like to see, and I'd love to bring them to you. I'm so excited to start doing fitness videos with you guys. It's something that I've dreamed of doing for a long time, and it's finally here. So I hope that you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next workout.